Reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of cruiser motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. This modern classic offers a blend of performance, style, and comfort, making it a top choice for long-distance touring. Background and description. The Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is a powerful and stylish cruiser motorcycle designed for both urban riding and long-distance touring. It's powered by a Milwaukee 8114 engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The Low Rider S's engine provides ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Modern styling. The bike's aggressive stance, mini-ape handlebars, and mid-mount controls give it a distinctive look. Comfortable ergonomics. The relaxed riding position and plush seat make for comfortable long-distance rides. Advanced technology. Features like traction control, ABS, and a digital instrument panel enhance the riding experience. Customizable. The Low Rider S can be customized with various accessories, including windshields, saddlebags, and luggage racks, to improve touring capabilities. Design and aesthetics. The Low Rider S has a modern and aggressive design, with a sleek and muscular profile. Its dark styling and bold lines give it a menacing look. Target audience and relevance. The Low Rider S is ideal for riders who are looking for a stylish and powerful cruiser motorcycle. While it may not be as fully featured as dedicated touring motorcycles, its comfortable riding position, powerful engine, and modern technology make it a suitable choice for long-distance rides. Expert reviews. The Low Rider S has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and aggressive styling. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Low Rider S is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium cruiser motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other cruisers. Compared to other cruisers, the Low Rider S stands out for its modern design and powerful engine. While it may not have the same level of touring comfort as dedicated touring models, its comfortable riding position and advanced technology make it a viable option for long-distance travel. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is a stylish and capable cruiser motorcycle that can handle long-distance touring with ease. While it may not be as fully featured as dedicated touring motorcycles, its versatility, performance, and modern technology make it a great choice for riders who want to explore the open road. So, if you're looking for a stylish and powerful cruiser motorcycle, the Low Rider S is definitely worth considering.